Hello guys, welcome back to RS Codex. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the operators in C++. There are actually 7 types of operators. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about only the 3 types, that is arithmetic operators, relational operator and the logical operator. So stay tuned until then, it's going to be very interesting. Let's get started. First, initially, what is meant by this arithmetic operator? The arithmetic operators are used to perform the mathematical operations on the numerical values. Numerical values means either integers, float, like that. Okay, here you can see these are the operators. We all know it is a basic mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. What is modulus? I will explain. But these are the operators which come under this arithmetic operators. Simply, the arithmetic operators are the operators which are used to perform the mathematical operations on the numerical values. Here, let us write a program. Hash include IO stream using namespace std. Okay, after that int main. Okay, I initially said that we have to declare the what are the variables actually we are going to use. While declaring a variable, we can directly initialize the values as well. Here you can see a in a variable there is a value stored that is 10. In b variable there is a value stored that is 5. Okay, actually taking the input from the user is more efficient. This is actually used in some cases, in some particular cases. We should not use like this by declaring it before. While declaring the variable only, we should not fix that value. Then it will be that much not efficient and it is also not a user friendly one. Okay. After that, okay, now we have declared those variables and we have assigned the values for that as well. Okay. Now let us perform the operations. Okay. Let us start. Cout a plus b. Here you can see we can directly run something like this. Okay, the same we will repeat. Yeah, cout a minus b. Okay, let us change the symbols. It is multiplication, it is division, and this is the modulus. What actually this modulus will do? Actually, this modulus is something when we divide a variable with another variable, that is a number with another number. For suppose 10 is there, we have divided that number with 3. While dividing it, we will get a remainder of 1 now. That 1 is being resulted by this modulus symbol. Let me run the program, then you will get a clear idea. First, initially, we have to make these comments. This also. And this entire part. Book. Let us try to run the program, save it, and run. Something went wrong. Okay. Okay, the operation has been done. Let me keep a slash n over here. Better we will keep handle. I hope you have an idea on this handle. I have initially said. You might think how I actually doing this by clicking on Alt. By pressing the Alt key and clicking on anywhere, we can simultaneously write on different places at a time. It is a shortcut in Visual Studio Code. Here you can see what happened. Okay. Here actually I have to keep multiply. Shift multiplication. Yes. Okay. Okay, here you can see addition 10 plus 5, 15, 10 minus 5, 5, 10 into 5, 50, 10 by 5, it is 2. 10 by 5, directly it is been divisible by 5, no, then there will be no remainder actually. That's why it is showing as 0. Simply it will show the remainder. Okay, this is about this arithmetic operator. Next, coming to this relational operators. What actually these relational operators are meant for? Here you can see the relational operators are used to compare the two values and return either true or false. Its work is to check whether work is to compare two values, not check, compare the two values and return whether the condition is true or false. Okay, here you can see the operators that we are going to use in this the operators that are come under this relational operators. Double equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. These are the operators that come under this relational operators. How actually these are worked? The same thing. Let me copy paste this. Hash include stream main. Control C. Control V. Okay. And over here we have to see out A double is equals to B. This is how we will write. Okay, and also here we have to keep handle. Better to keep handle. It will be professional and it should be done because then the output will be clear. Otherwise, it will be clumsy. Here it will be not equals to, and here it is greater than. This is less than. This is greater than, equals to. This is less than equals to. Okay. Let us run the program. Make these as comments. Here something happened here. Okay. Okay, let us run the program. What happened? Let us run. What was actually happening? Come on. Yeah. Invalid operator of type int. Okay. Okay. Let us try to keep brackets. Now let us try to run. Yes, it's been done. 0 is referred to be an false statement. 1 refers to the truth statement. Okay. I have said in the previous statement that it will say whether the condition, the comparison at the end, it will say true or false. That is not mentioning that it will appear as true word. Actually, it is appeared as 0 or 1. 0 is refers to the false and 1 is refers to true. Here you can see. Okay. This is about this relational operator. Next, we are going to logical operator. Okay. What is logical operator? A logical operator is used to combine or negate conditions. How actually it is worked? What are the operators? First one is and. Next one is or, where it is, or, and not. What actually these operations, I mean these operators perform. Coming to this first operator, it will also show zeros and ones. That means it is also used to check the condition whether it is true or false in that particular case. For suppose and is given, it give 1 only when both are true. Okay, when both are true only it will show it as a true. Whereas coming to or, only it will show 1 only, I mean it will be true when any one condition is true, not both, when all conditions are true, then only it is used to something like reverse. For suppose the answer is true, it will reverse it as a false statement. Use it to reverse the result something. Okay, this is the working of this operators. Okay. Okay, this is about these logical operators. So now let us see an example related to these logical operators. Something like here you can see hash include I was stream using namespace yesterday. Int main int a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20. We have declared and we also have initialized those variables. Although it is not a good practice, but as of now I'm showing you like that. Try to take the input from the user, and it is not mandatory. Now here you can see if the if condition is there, a less than b and b should be greater than 15. These are the two different conditions. Now the AND operator is used when we want both the conditions to be true. Okay, or we will use only if any condition is true, then that block should be executed. In that case we will use or. If the block has to be executed only when these two conditions are being checked and they are true, then only the block has to be executed. In such a case, we have to use that particular AND operator. We know about this not. Here we can see the example. Let me run the program. Save it and run. Here you can see both the conditions are true. Both the conditions are true statement is being inside the block. It has to be executed only when both the statements are true. Okay. Here a is less than b, 10 is less than 20. It is true, and b is greater than 15. That is 20 is greater than 15. It is also true. So ultimately we have got an output. Okay. We have got an output of both the conditions are true. Okay guys, this is about the arithmetic operator, relational operator and the logical operators. We have discussed in detail. I hope you all get the topics very effectively. Okay. If you like the video, please like the video and share with your friends and subscribe for the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.